Autism AC. AC and Autism for Students and Children in English. Autism is a complex neurodevelopment disorder that affects a person's responsive and interactive behavior. It requires sensitivity and a certain intensity of the traits that affect social development for diagnosis. Autism includes persistent deficits in social communication and interactions. People who have autism also face difficulties in social and emotional reciprocity and a reduced interest in sharing emotions or feelings and often fail to respond to social interactions. Autistic people often face difficulties in maintaining, developing, or understanding relationships. They exhibit poorly integrative verbal or non-verbal communication and abnormalities in making eye contact and body language. Autism is characterized by stereotypical and repetitive movements, phrases, and words, and reactions along with inflexible adherence to a particular routine. The abnormal intensity of attachment to unusual objects is often seen in autistic people, and they are hypersensitive to small changes around them. The symptoms of autism result from changes related to maturation in different brain systems. The mechanisms of autism can be divided into two ways: the pathophysiology of the brain structure and associated processes regulates the behavioral characteristics. There are individual neurophysiological connections between the brain and behaviors also. Autism is a significant form of pervasive developmental disorder, PDD, and is also classified as syndromal and non-syndromal. The extent of non-syndromal autism is unclear, but syndromal autism includes an intellectual disability or congenital syndromes. Diagnosed reports suggest some children lose their language and social skills at 15 to 30 months. Research has been restricted due to identification problems in traditional boundaries between the subgroups and disciplines like psychiatry, neurology, pediatrics, and psychology. According to doctors, very few people suffering from autism exhibit savant syndrome. A person starts to exhibit extraordinary skills and abilities in a specific field like calculating complicated sums at a very high speed, reading two books simultaneously, memorizing things quickly, etc. The exact causes leading to autism are still not known. It just occurs due to a different functioning of the brain and is often believed to be genetic as the doctors found pieces of evidence. Autistic people experience changes in the significant areas of the brain that affect their speech and behavior. In cases of twins, a strong correlation between them has also been observed in terms of autism. Environmental factors also cause autistic disorders. The risk factors during pregnancy, including rubella, toxins, autoimmune diseases, fetal growth restrictions, and air pollution, also play a vital role. Autism results in low tolerance and perseverance levels in distinctive individuals. Autistic people often suffer from regular panic attacks and societal trauma, which causes anxiety, self esteem issues, depression, obsessive compulsive disorders, epilepsy, and sleep disturbances. This trauma adversely affects their development. There is no such proven treatment for curing autism, but proper therapies and strategies can manage mental health issues. Treatment interventions are beneficial in autism cases. Applied behavior analysis ABA increases desirable behavior, reduces harmful isolation from others, and might improve memory, focus, academic performance, and communications. Other interventions include Early Start Denver Model ESDM, occupational therapy OT, pivotal response treatment PRT, speech therapy, relationship development intervention RDI, verbal behavior therapy VBT, and TEACCH.